Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send Google Forms responses in Google Sheets to email. This is incredibly useful when you need to share form data with team members or clients who may not have direct access to your Google account, allowing them to view and analyze responses in a familiar format. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the form you want to work with, as this will ensure you have the proper permissions to access and manage the responses. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms. Browse through and click on the specific form you want to send responses from. This opens up your form and gives you access to all the settings and response data associated with it. Now that your form is open, look at the top toolbar where you'll see several tabs. Click on Responses. This tab is where all the magic happens, as it contains every submission your form has received. From here, you'll be able to link these responses to a spreadsheet for easier management and sharing. Next, you'll need to click on Link to Sheets. This action creates a connection between your form responses and a Google Sheets document, making it much simpler to organize and analyze the data you've collected. A dialog box will appear with options for how you want to set up this connection. In this dialog box, you'll see a field where you can enter your spreadsheet name. Alternatively, if you already have a spreadsheet you'd like to use, you can click Select Existing Spreadsheet. Once you've made your choice, click Create. This step establishes the link and begins populating your sheet with all current and future responses. After creating the link, you'll want to view the spreadsheet directly. Click on View in Sheets to open your newly connected or existing spreadsheet. This will take you straight to Google Sheets, where all your form responses are now organized in rows and columns. Now we're ready to send this data via email. In the upper left corner of your Google Sheets window, click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over or select Email, then click Email this file. This option allows you to send the entire spreadsheet directly to someone's inbox without them needing to access Google Drive. A new window will pop up asking you to enter the recipient's email address. Type in the email of the person you want to send the responses to in the designated field. Make sure the email address is correct to avoid sending sensitive data to the wrong person. Before you hit send, you'll want to choose the file format, navigate to the file type section, and click the drop-down menu. From the options available, select Microsoft Excel. This format is widely compatible and ensures that your recipient can open and work with the file even if they don't use Google Sheets. Finally, once everything looks good, click Send. Your spreadsheet containing all the Google Forms responses will now be delivered directly to the recipient's email inbox in Excel format. And there you have it. You've successfully sent your Google Forms responses from Google Sheets to an email recipient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.